What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing out there? Well, today I'm in, Wauseon, Ohio. Wauseon, Ohio. I'm not sure how to pronounce this one. Somebody can correct me. I haven't found a local to pronounce it for me, but the depot is beautiful. And there sits a caboose. Let's go take a look. Get a quick shot of the depot this way first. And now on to the caboose. Wooden caboose. It's beautiful. There's no markings on it either side. Crossing signal on the end here. On this end, the sign says LS and MS Railway. So I'll have to look that up. And at the other end, they've got a beautiful switch stand there. Airline Yard, it says on the sign. I like these old style switch stands. Quick shot through the window. It's beautifully redone in there. I'll go to the other side real quick. And here's the other side. They've got like a chicken wire over the window so the glass don't get broke. So it's hard to see. But that's pretty cool. I have found the plaque. New York Central Railroad Station, built in 1896, restored in 1975. That's pretty cool. So just out front of the depot here is the Norfolk Southern Line. This is the roadside, the non-railroad side. Let's peek in the window real quick. Right through the grating, you can see they've got a layout in there. It looks like O-scale. That's pretty cool. And just off to the side of the depot is this children's play set. This is pretty cool. There's seats inside each one of those. That's pretty awesome. So let's see if we can catch a train. I think I'll go right over there. That way I can get the depot in the shot. Yeah, this will be a nice shot. I see a headlight. Let's see what we got. Was nice. All right, if you guys enjoyed that, hit that like button. Like, share, subscribe. Don't cost nothing. Hit that button. Happy out.